I've been seeing lonely people in crowded rooms, covering the old heartbreaks with new tattoos. It's all about smoke screens and cigarettes, looking through low lights at silhouettes, but all I see is lonely people in crowded rooms. The city's gonna break my heart. The city's gonna love me, then leave me alone. The city's got me chasing stars. It's been a couple months since I felt like I'm home. Am I getting closer to numb with where I belong? The city's gonna break my heart. She's always gonna break your heart. Oh,
Oh no, no, yeah. Monday through Friday, I don't do so well. I wanna call you, but I stop myself. You're the only one I wanna run to. Yeah, 'cause I've been drinking lately, so I forget. Wondering what this place will give me next. 'Cause all I see are lonely people with broken hearts. Yeah.
oh, the city's gonna break my heart. The city's gonna love me, then leave